Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how we can define inheritance class diagram. So previously we saw how we can draw like aggregation class diagram. So this is the same only you just need to change one symbol. So what I can do, I think use the same example I used previously, that aggregation class diagram. So here let me just show you how we can write the inheritance class diagram right now. See, I'll just copy the same example here, and here I have pasted. Now let me remove the aggregation. Okay, and also remove this particular things. Okay, now just consider this is your user class and this is your let's say student class. Okay, now whenever you are defining actually inheritance class diagram, that time you have to use this particular symbol, that means arrow symbol instead of diamond shape. Okay, and whenever you can see this particular arrow symbol, that means it's a inheritance. Okay, inheritance class diagram. Okay, inheritance class diagram. And again the concept will remain same. It will have actually your data property and method property, and if you see the plus, that means it's a public, and if you see the minus, that means it's a private property. Okay, so that's how actually we can create our inheritance class diagram. Very simple. Okay, because in interview we'll see this kinds of diagram. Now people will get confused, that's why I showed you what is this diamond shape and what is this arrow shape. Okay, that means diamond shape means you are performing aggregation, and inheritance means you are using arrow icon. Okay, this is the idea only. So I hope it is clear. Thank you so much.